Baru ki party ki la poilut ha ka Jingialang ka Nyngkong Jong ka Komiti halor ka roster system like no ka voice of the people party. Ya ka ni ka Jingialang la penyat ka menteri ka tanat ka kot ka kia kum ka chairperson ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo.
All political parties who were invited to this meeting, bearing one, had attended this meeting this afternoon, and we are pleased to inform the public that there was a unanimous agreement of the proposed roster as was discussed by all political parties, including the GNC, who was represented by Augustine Marak through video conferencing from Tura. We have decided to forward certain recommendations to the government of Meghalaya. All of these points that were discussed by the committee will be forwarded to the government of Meghalaya for its kind consideration. Few discussions we may be able to tell you here, but few discussions we also have to take the minutes and submit officially to the government of Meghalaya, the Honorable Chief Minister, for his purview of all of the matters discussed in this meeting. There is one point, however, which this committee felt very required to propose to the government of Meghalaya. If a roster system has to be agreed upon by all stakeholders, particularly the political parties, it is important for all of us to have an inclusive approach, wherein all members of all political parties, to the furthest extent possible, should be a part of a deliberation on the roster system. Now we are satisfied with the proposed roster. However, one political party is still not part of our discussions. We have thought it fit to send a proposal to the government of Meghalaya to allow this committee to also give a patient hearing to the points of view of our one main political party that is not part of our discussions and our dialogue. Otherwise, the entire purpose of our sitting will not be inclusive in its nature. We are therefore going to request the government of Meghalaya to include a discussion on the job reservation policy at the earliest, so that we may give an opportunity to the voice of the people party to present its points of view to the committee. Now, having said that, therefore, we will at the same time also send a recommendation to the government of Meghalaya to allow all political parties also to do the same exercise, because it would be skewed if only one political party would be given that opportunity. Therefore, once we have given a fair chance to the voice of the people party to present its views, we will take a call at a further date as to how we go about handling all the matters that are brought before the purview of our committee. We also are of the opinion that the Honorable Chief Minister himself will be meeting other important stakeholders in the state of Meghalaya on the 31st of May. So therefore, our committee will again re-meet on the 31st of May at 2:30 p.m. in the same venue, and we will give an opportunity to all political parties to bring forward suggestions and observations, so that we are able to take at least this one agenda forward in letter and spirit, so that the people of the state of Meghalaya may feel that we are a committee that is inclusive in nature, and we would like all points of views to be heard before any final decisions can be taken on this matter. With this, I thank the press, I thank all members of all.